All right, I plan on making this breakdown a little bit quick today. This is my first breakdown box since probably May. So, I'm trying to give y'all something good. Let's start off with the weekly time frame. I'm gonna give y'all some narrative. This is a setup I took on Friday. So, this is longs on MNQ futures with the weekly time frame. Last week we traded into this weekly order block, both the OB and the OB main threshold level, so we got a decent reaction off of those. Now, coming into this week, we also traded into those levels, and on the daily time frame, I didn't trade last week or this week in general. I was on a breakaway from the market, so it actually worked out for me. Didn't have to deal with this consolidation, but even during the consolidation, you can see that once we traded into these levels, we created a rejection block right here, and price dumped, traded into this bullish fair value gap, gave us a nice decent reaction, probably off of the consequent encroachment too, and trading off at that level, we displaced bullishly again towards this weekly level, this weekly bearish level, and now we created an order block. So creating this order block and trading through previous day's high, we have another level also aligned with a fair value gap that was created on the 10th, and price traded through that, respected this order block level, both the OB level and the main threshold level, created another order block when it displaced again from Tuesday and Wednesday on Wednesday's close, and leading into Thursday, you see what Thursday did. Thursday reached into this daily order block main threshold level, give us a nice reaction off of that as well too, and going down to the 4-hour, you'll see when we tapped into this daily order block main threshold level that price did start to chop a little bit, but it created a bullish order block for us here on the 4-hour time frame, and marking out the order block level, order block main threshold level. Going into our session, that gave me 2 levels to try to look the key off of and look for a trade. So we have relatively equal lows here coming into 920 when I do my pre-market analysis. So I'm looking at that, although we tapped into this level, I'm not looking for a trade here because price can still rip through this. It's not even my session yet, so I'm not even really gonna look for this. I'm looking for a sweep still because we still have liquidity here and still have this main threshold level here as well with this, you know what I'm saying, intermediate term low or swing term low, whatever you want to call it. So coming into open, price wicked into this order block main threshold level on the 4-hour, and I used this rejection block, place the entry here at the consequent encroachment, stop loss at about 15 ticks, and we target a 1 to 2.5, which it did go for 1 to 3, leaving a runner, but that was just me being optimistic of reaching for these highs. Narrative is important, so I didn't expect us to push any further right now higher, but I already secured my profits, just left a runner, but still mindful that we are trading off of this daily order block level, so price can still go lower. And we'll just see, place that there. Let y'all watch this entry play out. Go down to the 1-minute time frame, see what happens. And Pretty simple. And you did see it did run for 1 to 4, and then got stopped out. That day really showed me that you need to have patience, and you honestly need to wait for your specific trading times. You need to have actual time set to the side when you do decide to engage with the market, because you've seen it. You had a level that got topped in before New York Open, and you probably could have taken an entry off of the open of the rejection block if that's how you trade. But with me, I don't. So, and I'd also rather not trade before New York Open, well, pre-market. So you just really gotta have a good system, like be intentional, stick to your times when you decide to trade, and follow through with your risk plans and what you decide to do.